Hi, how are you all? So, today I am talking about relationships. Yes, मैं बहुत बार बात कर चुकी हूँ relationships के बारे में, but actually I was thinking one thing. Many people says that relationships are complicated, relationships are difficult, but what are the reasons actually? Um, uh, जिसकी वजह से हम कह सकते हैं दैट रिलेशनशिप्स आर डिफ़िकल्ट और दे आर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सो मैं जितनी चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में आती हैं मैं उन सभी चीज़ों के बारे में आई विल डिस्कस इट विद यू एंड यू कैन रिवर्ट बैक आप मुझे अपने सजेशंस यू कैन गिव मी योर सजेशंस दैट आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन कौन से ऐसे वो पॉइंट्स हो सकते हैं जिसकी वजह से किसी भी रिलेशनशिप में कोई वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बन जाए. So I think to start off with this, that a relationship actually, what I think involves, effort and consciousness from two people. And I think so, no matter how much effort and how much great effort the single person is actually putting in, the relationship can still be a failure if there is less or no reciprocation from the other side or from the other partner. And I think it is like unlike from the other parts of our life, relationships are the one point where you don't get exactly proportionally like how much you're putting in, how much effort that you're giving in. And I think sometimes some people actually puts in a lot of effort, love, care, affection, and they don't get much or they get very less than what they deserve actually. And sometimes they are treated like shit. So this is, I think, uh, it is one point. Let me come on to the another point. I think ego, two people's ego is one of the factor, and I think third, and nowadays it has become more important, technology. I mean, as much as technology has connected people virtually, I think it has distanced people emotionally. And this is the one point. I mean, a lot of conversations happen over chats, over texts, over emojicons, but it cannot replace the uh, conversations face to face, just because when you're sitting face to face, then you can actually feel other person's emotions, the real emotions we call. So I think technology is one of the factor जिसकी वजह से हम कह सकते हैं that yes, relationships are becoming difficult or they are becoming complicated. I think one more reason is, if when I talk about unconditional love, you can actually love someone one-sided, being one-sided, and only if the love is unconditional. But if that person is in your life, is present in your life, then that has become mandatory for them to actually put in equal amount of effort. सो आई थिंक जस्ट बिकॉज उस केस में एक्सपेक्टेशंस बढ़ जाती हैं. दैट इज़ द रीज़न जब रिलेशनशिप जो है इट स्टार्ट्स बिकमिंग कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो आई थिंक देर आर, आई थिंक 4 points आई डिस्कस्ड, एंड इतना ही मेरे दिमाग में आई चीज़ें. बाकी यू कैन गिव मी सजेशंस, you can comment below and tell me that what are the other reasons, या क्या हो सकते हैं जिसकी वजह से आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वाकई में ये पॉइंटर्स हो सकते हैं कि रिलेशनशिप्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हैं. सो हियर्स मी भावना साइनिंग ऑफ with so much love. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Take care.